Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to see how you can transfer money from Binance to your Forex broker. So for that, of course, you cannot transfer crypto directly to your Forex broker. So what you'll have to do is you'll have to transfer fiat, which means they will get proper money instead of crypto. And that means that you would have to transfer in their own bank account of the Forex broker. You can do two things over here. You can either from Binance send it directly to the Forex broker, or first from Binance you can transfer that money to your own local bank account, and then from your own local bank account you can withdraw, you can transfer the money to the Forex broker's account. So simply what you need to do is, if you want to do that directly, when you're on your Binance account, you'll simply go to overview from here. As you can see, this will be your menu on the top. You will press on this button and then you will go with overview. And after you go with overview, this is the screen that you're going to see. Now you've got the deposit, withdraw and transfer options. From here you will go on withdraw, and from there you will click on the withdraw fiat button. You will click on that. That means that instead of crypto, actual money and actual amount would be going to your Forex broker. So you'll just go with withdraw fiat, don't go with withdraw crypto. Then you will select the fiat currency. If you're transferring to your Forex broker in euro, you'll select that. If not, you'll select any other currency. And you can do any of these transfers. Some take 0 to 2 business days, some is recommended, one goes instantly, one can take a bit of time. And after that, suitable for withdrawals, you can choose any one of these. You can either do bank transfer, you can do SEPA transfer, and you can do instant card withdrawals. And then you will enter withdrawal details. Now here you will enter the details of your Forex broker. So as you can see right here, you've basically chosen the currency and you've chosen this as well. And after that, what you're simply going to do is you're going to enter the details. You're going to enter the amount that you wish to withdraw, and then you're going to enter the bank account information of your Forex broker, since that's the only way you can transfer money from Binance to your Forex broker. So you'll get the bank account information from your Forex broker, and then you'll enter those details. Then you will simply just review fees and then you will confirm. And that is how you can transfer money to your Forex broker. Alternatively, you can use this same process and use your own bank account details to first transfer to your bank account, and then from your own bank account you can transfer to your Forex broker. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.